Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adizat bin Syamsuddin. My matric number 10DTK18F1034. I am from DTK 5A. I am under control of Puan Fariza binti Abdullah. So my title of my project is IoT Small Alarm System. So now I want to describe about my prototype of IoT Small Alarm System. Now I want to talk about my product aim. Firstly, IoT Small Alarm System connected to smartphone are very easy to warn homeowner because smartphone will always be with them. Second, IoT Small Alarm System that warm via smartphone ensure homeowner can act immediately, such as contacting firefighter. Third, this smoke detector can reduce the risk of fire and can also save a person's life. So this is my prototype. This is the top and this is the bottom. This is the real position of this prototype. I start with the bottom. This is MQ which work to detect smoke. For the top, it is supposed to attach the prototype to the ceiling. On the left, this is a buzzer and switch to GSM. On the right, this is a switch for the Arduino Uno. And the last part is the front have two LED, green and red. The green LED will change red if MQ135 sensor detect smoke. So I have finished explain all about the part of prototype. After this, I will show how IoT Small Alarm System works. Now I will show you how IoT Small Alarm System works. MQ135 already set to 300 ppm. So for the trial, I use gas from lighter. After 7 to 10 seconds, notification will be appear on the phone.